Have you ever wondered how you can start making money while you sleep? With the rise of the gig economy and the increasing uncertainty of traditional 9 to 5 jobs, people are actually looking for ways to create financial freedom and security. Which is why in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 passive income ideas you can start right now. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to it. And if this is your first time visiting this platform, make sure you hit subscribe and that bell notification. That way, every time I upload a video, you can get immediately notified. I post anything that has to do with entrepreneurship, making money online, digital marketing, or anything that you can think of that is going to help you create success online and pretty much improve your life. So if you're into any of those topics, make sure you hit subscribe and let's go ahead and get to it. Now, before I share with you this passive income ideas, I want to share with you, in case you didn't know, in today's economy, having multiple streams of income is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. And passive income is one of the most powerful ways to achieve that. It's the ability to earn money without actively working for it, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. Passive income is not just for entrepreneurs though, or investors. It's for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. And the best part is, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. With the right mindset and a little bit of effort, you can start building your passive income streams today. So with that being said, what's holding you back? Let's go ahead and dive into the common challenges people face when trying to build wealth and why passive income is actually the solution. One of the biggest challenges people face is pretty much time constraints. We're all busy, and finding the time to learn new skills or start a new business can seem impossible. But passive income streams can be automated, leaving you more time to focus on the things you love. Another challenge is the need for financial independence. Relying on a single income source can be risky, and having multiple streams of income can provide a sense of security and peace of mind. Many people also struggle with the idea that building wealth requires significant amount of capital, but that's not always the case. With passive income, you can start small and scale up over time. Others believe that building wealth is only for those who are extremely disciplined or financially savvy. But the truth is, anyone can start building passive income streams, regardless of their financial situation. Another thing I notice is that some people think that building wealth is a slow process, and they're right. It does take time and effort. But with passive income, your money can work for you even when you're not actively working. And finally, many people believe that they're too old or too young to start building wealth. But the truth is, it's never too early or too late to start. So now that we dive into the common challenges that people face, let's go ahead and get into the 5 passive income ideas you can start right now. All right, so the first idea is affiliate marketing. And this is actually how I personally got started. And thanks to affiliate marketing is how I actually know everything that I know that I have shared with you in this platform. The beauty about affiliate marketing is that with affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products. So you don't have to spend, all these millions of dollars or market research to come up with a product that's going to be profitable. Affiliate marketing, the product's already done for you. Okay, so all you got to do is pretty much take the product that you promote, that somebody else created, and then you earn a commission on each sale made through your unique referral link. So when you sign up for an affiliate program and you get approved, they're going to give you a referral link, and that's the link that you're going to use. So when somebody clicks that link and makes a purchase, then you make a sale. It's a great way to monetize a blog, YouTube channel, or even social media following. Now, what do you need to get started with affiliate marketing? Pretty simple. First thing you're going to need is you're going to choose a niche or an industry or, a community of people that you want to help, right? Then you want to find affiliate programs that align and serves your chosen niche. Then you're going to create content that promotes those products. All right. So if you see me making videos, anywhere you see me, making videos or any post, that's me creating content, right? This is what you want to get in the habit of doing. All right. You can start small by sharing affiliate links on social media or creating a simple blog post, right? That's powerful creating blog posts. What I like about affiliate marketing is that the initial investment for this type of idea is relatively low and the potential returns are substantial. For example, if you promote a product that costs $100 and earns a 10% commission, that means you earn $10 per sale. Now, I have a program that I promote that actually pays 80% commissions. And in case you want to learn about that program, I'm going to leave the link below in the description. You can check it out. but you want to find a program that pay high commissions. 10%, it's pretty low, but you can still make some, money as an example I'll show you here. But you can find a program that pays 40, 60, or up to 80% commissions, then you'll be in good profit, all right? Second idea is pretty much selling digital products. So if you have a particular skill or expertise, you can create a digital product like a course or an ebook or software and sell it online. Now, what you need to do to get started, first thing you want to do is you want to identify your target audience, and you want to create a quality or high quality digital product. And then you want to set up something called a sales funnel, which is a component of different pages working together to effectively deliver the product to your chosen audience. I use a sales funnel builder myself. If you by any chance want to know or are curious to know what sales funnel builder I use, I left the link in the description. It's pretty inexpensive, so it's really good and it's high quality. So check it out below. I'll leave a link down in the description as well. All right, so this is how you're gonna need pretty much to sell your digital product online, more effectively. You can use platforms like Gumroad or Sellfy to host your digital product and handle transactions. What I like about this type of idea is that the initial investment for selling digital products is relatively low as well, and the potential returns are substantial. For example, if you sell an ebook for $20 and sell it for, and you sell 100 copies, that means you earn $2,000 right there. Right, so that's idea number 2. Idea number 3 is pretty much renting out a spare room on Airbnb. All right, so if you have an extra room in your home, you can rent it out to travelers and tourists on Airbnb. So what you need to do to get started, pretty much simple. So the first thing you're gonna do is pretty much create a listing on Airbnb. Then you wanna take high quality photos of your space. Then after that, you wanna set up a competitive rate. And additionally, make sure you're compliant with local regulations and law. That's important. Initial investment for renting out a spare room is relatively low, and the potential returns are substantial. For example, if you rent out your space room for $50 per night and host guests for 20 nights per month, you earn $1,000. So that's idea number 3. All right, the fourth idea is creating and selling an online course. If you have expertise in that particular area, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. All you're gonna need to get started is pretty much identify your target audience, create high quality course content, and set up a sales funnel. You can use platforms like Camtasia or ScreenFlow to record your course videos. The initial investment for creating and selling an online course is relatively moderate, okay? And the potential returns are substantial. For example, if you sell a course for, let's say, $100 and sell 100 copies, then you earn about 10K. So that's course number 4. The fifth and final idea is investing in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders. Here's what you need to get started. First thing you're gonna do is open a brokerage account, fund it with money to invest, and then choose the dividend stocks you want to invest in. You can use platforms like Robinhood or Fidelity to buy and sell stocks. In case you didn't know, the initial investment for investing in dividend-paying stocks is moderate to high, and the potential returns are substantial. For example, if you invest $1,000 in a dividend stock that pays a 5% dividend yield, you earn $50 per year in dividend income. Out of the 5 ideas I've shared, I want to really highlight the one that I believe has the most potential to change your financial situation. That's pretty much creating and selling an online course. With an online course, you can monetize your expertise and create a passive income stream that can generate revenue for years to come. Creating an online course requires some upfront effort, but once you've created the content, you can sell it and earn passive income. And the best part is, you can sell it multiple times, generating revenue without putting in a lot of extra work. All right, so this is what I love about it. If you don't have any ideas or you don't have an expertise, you can actually do affiliate marketing and just, find a course that actually helps people that's high quality and promote that. All right, and remember, building wealth takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and a little bit of effort, you can start creating passive income stream that can change your financial situation or your financial destiny. All right, so make sure you take action on one of these ideas today and start building your path to financial freedom. So there you have it. Those are my 5 passive income ideas you can start right now. If you want to learn the necessary skills and launch your own profitable online business this month, make sure you check out the link in the description as my top recommendation. Other than that, if you want more content on building wealth and financial freedom or simply making money online, make sure to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.